everybody, welcome back to another quick video. In today's guide, I'm going to show you how to find an Amazon affiliate link for any product on Amazon. They recently updated how it works and how you find the links for each product. First, I'm going to show you how it works on desktop and then on mobile, so let's jump right into it. All right, everyone, we're currently on my desktop on Google. Now, I'm sure if you're aware, if you're an Amazon affiliate, you have to go to Amazon Associates, affiliate-program.amazon.com to sign up to become an affiliate. Now, you used to be able to get links for any product on Amazon through this website. There was a search here. If you go in the full report, you can type in what you were looking for and then grab the search, but that has since been removed. So once you have an account, it's linked, you're an official affiliate with Amazon, all you have to do is go to amazon.com, click on any product or search for any product that you want to find the link to. Let's do this little drone here. Once the product loads up, all you have to do, this is Amazon Associates, it's called SiteStripe. And all you have to do is select text, image, or text and image. So with my YouTube videos, I only use text affiliate links. So all I have to do is select text. And then if you want the full link, you can select full link and copy it, or the short link, which looks a lot better. Right-click it and hit copy. If you want to do an image, if you have like a blog or something and you want this image that people can click and then be redirected to Amazon and purchase, you can select what size you want the image to be, copy the code by right-clicking, and that's all there is to it. So a little bit different on mobile, but I'm going to show you how it works. Here we go. All right, we're currently on my phone, so you're going to want to, of course, have the Amazon app installed. I'm going to open up the Amazon app. Once it loads, I'm just going to find a product here. Let's do these LED little box here. You click on it. Once it loads up, you'll see a share icon in the top right underneath the star ratings. Just going to select the share. And then as you can see, since I'm logged into the same account that I'm an affiliate with, it's loading up my store ID and tracking ID. All I have to do is select copy associates link and then paste it wherever I would like. Now you can also click share non-associates link if for some reason you do not want to get paid for the item that you're linking to. But yeah, again, just hit copy associate link. If I head over here to Notepad just to show you what it looks like, go down here and select paste. As you can see, there is the affiliate link for that product. So I hope you found this video informative. If you did, please hit that like button and we'll see you in the next video.